on a road trip to go pick up my brother and take me to my mom's house. Hopefully we'll get there safe.
Are you making a video right now?
Maybe I am.
You sit in the front.
Alright then.
Okay, we're on our journey. Whether we're going to make it there or not, we don't know. That Escalade didn't get back in their driveway either.
Nope.
Suburban. Seatbelts are a must.
Right now they are. I needed that.
Just hope we make it there safe. And return safely.
Yes. All that snow.
This is the day after the blizzard of 09.
So you're just looking like might get another blizzard.
Maybe. And we're off.
Onward. Let's hope the Kilpatrick Turnpike looks good.
Yeah.
That's probably good. There's a lot of people are on it right now. Are you on the ice right now?
This is just all snow. Now there's ice underneath it probably. This school behind us thinks that they need to go 45.
There's my school.
And what do you do? Once it's we got stuck right there and That's good. Probably not right there too.
Yeah, I know. We can zoom in. And it can record up to 2 hours.
Nice.
Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome.
The St. Bradford Drive.
Here's a good road.
Look at all those people. That's a road.
Oh my god.
This road's pretty good other than that ice.
Yeah. Okay, so yeah, we think that is a Warren Theater. Look at that.
It's huge.
It's huge, yeah. It's gotta
Whatever
be.
it is, we're going to be spending some time there.
Mm-hmm.
It does look like Warren Theater.
Yeah.
You didn't look online, did you?
Oh, no, I forgot.
Let's go that way just to see what
I
it
know
is.
it. We will.
There's a bunch of cars just stuck up here. Yeah, this car's up on the bridge, too.
Oh my god. 4 of them.
God. One of those was a Mustang.
It actually like that four-wheel drive right now.
I know, this is what we were thinking yesterday as we were driving. We were like, oh man, this is nice. We weren't having any trouble. They don't.
Look at the semi jackknife.
I've seen several Mustangs, man. They can't drive in it.
Look at the semi jackknife.
Dang. Not totally jackknifed, but he's stuck.
Jackknife enough.
Are all those people stuck?
Yep.
Must be.
Gosh. I doubt it's open.
We were shopping and then we couldn't go.
Almost to Derek's house.
Doors open early at 5 a.m. Get $10 off instant.
The hotel, or the
Saturday, 5
apartment.
to 1 p.m. See it all.
I said hotel.
Whoa.
Bless you.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Get your car washed?
Somebody stuck in it?
Yeah.
No.
You fools!
Right there, yeah.
You do it at a car wash when it's snowing. Or when it's about to snow.
Save money, live better, Walmart.
And when you do have to slow down, okay, now this guy is slowing down, so
That guy's doing the same thing.
pumping the brakes. You guys remember, pump the brakes on snow and ice.
Okay. Seen a bunch of Jeeps.
Okay, now I should start going.
Just him on Hannah Montana on our center strip.
T-Swizzle.
Here's where it's kind of getting bad.
What's so wrong about this road?
That road's full of ice. But no, yeah, so. It's supposed to say, but it says text instead of sex. It's radio edited version. No, he says text, not sex. His birthday text.
Jeep. They're Jeep.
Yeah, those Jeeps.
Seen a bunch of
Every time I see a Jeep, he tells me Jeep.
A truck like mine behind us.
Another 5 months.
Probably weight down the back.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I thought you needed a lot of weight back. Does that help a lot? You have weight in the back?
Yes, trucks don't have any weight in the back. So those
This is my mom's neighborhood.
weight it down, they'll get better traction.
There was a sidewalk right there. It's gone.
That is a snow walk. What the heck? Well, I did one from the roof. I don't. Bad idea. I'm leaving. But, no, I mean, it's not even too bad to be mad away from me. And I can afford.
Yeah, sledding.
Mine.
That was a backwards S. It was a backwards Z. Or was it? Dang it! Okay, we're about to leave. There's a bunch of cars stuck up here.
How did we get in here? Austin, we didn't even go this way.
We didn't know.
The road is over here.
Yeah. What the? That was a road.
The road less traveled.
Good thing. Look, there's a curve.
Oh, this is crazy.
Oh yeah, Mom, there was a truck on Derek's road. It got like, it kind of got like flipped onto the road, so we had to go over a curb then.
Oh my god.
It was what you call jackknifed.
H3s have a full drive. What happened here?
And he's
Yeah.
I don't think he's having fun. That's weird. So this is the.
We don't have
There's the entrance.
There's the street.
This person's not even. This person's not in there.
You can't park there.
You can't park there.
There's a stop sign.
That's illegal.
I know the law.
I feel a little bit better because right now we couldn't get stuck, so we're sliding
Yeah.
onto a regular road.
That one car was turning around. Ha ha ha.
Yeah, I was gonna say, where are we going? Oh, we were at a dead end. You were.
We were on the grass.
Mount Cyrus.
Yeah.
There I am for the first time.
Yeah, see what see. Sing.
You know I can't hear you.
I'm so famous. Feeling kinda homesick. I'm nervous, and the bulldozer was done working.
Oh, Brexit over there.
And the Jay-Z song was on.
Remember that time I was on the highway in Hummer?
That was not dark.
The Hummer
in my head,
I get so nervous
I
with
would
the rain.
go on slow.
Highway.
I would drive on snow, ice, anything. It never slid. Because it was like 100. It was like a ton. It weighed like a ton.
Yes,
And if you're weighing up on ice, you won't slide.